Laundry today or naked tomorrow?
Hello everyone, I'm back again as JNJ Dineros. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and support my channel. So today I'm going to laundry again. This is for our 1 week dirty clothes. As you can see here. And follow me. Let's go to the laundry. Here we go. And this time I'm using this one, Arm and Hammer. And it's so heavy. Ang bigat-bigat. Probably this is gonna be 2 loads. And that's it. And put $1.50. And I choose normal hat and press start. And let's go to another load. And put the coins. 150. And choose normal hat again and press start. And let's wait for 32 minutes. And come back again. I'll just leave it here. And this time it's done, and let's transfer this to the dryer. I like the smell. It smells fresh. I recommend those detergent. And these are the only available machines to use. And this is our second load. And finally this is available. I'll just put everything here. And put $2. And press start. And let's wait for 68 minutes. And come back again to pick it up.
1 hour later.
I am back again and it's done. Put everything here again. It's done. Here's all my laundry now. And the hard part, it's easy to laundry, but the hard part is to fold all these clean clothes. I'm so lazy to fold this. magtutupi-tupi ka. Well, that's life. Bye! And please don't forget to subscribe my channel.